Welcome to my kitchen. Today I am making a delicious fried chicken. Let's go to video. First, marinate the chicken. Place the chicken pieces in a large bowl and pour the buttermilk over them, ensuring each piece is coated. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or overnight for best results. The buttermilk tenderizes the chicken and enhances its flavor. Then, prepare the coating. In a shallow dish, mix the flour, salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and cayenne pepper. After that, coat the chicken. Remove the chicken from the buttermilk and let any excess drip off. And dredge each piece in the flour mixture, making sure to coat it thoroughly. Press the flour mixture onto the chicken to help it adhere. Then we will heat the oil. In a deep, heavy-bottomed skillet or frying pan, pour enough vegetable oil to submerge the chicken pieces halfway. Heat the oil over medium-high heat to around 350–375 degrees F, 175–190 degrees C, and fry the chicken. Carefully place the chicken pieces into the hot oil a few at a time, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry each side until golden brown and crispy, usually about 12–15 minutes for smaller pieces and 15–20 minutes for larger pieces. Use a kitchen thermometer to ensure the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees F, 74 degrees C, and then drain and serve. Place the fried chicken on a wire rack or paper towels to drain excess oil. Serve hot and enjoy your crispy fried chicken.